Welcome back to Elementary Latin 2. We're Wittenberg Academy and we're ready for Chapter 6. Chapter 6 begins on page 41, but we need to pick up our vocabulary on Chapter 42 first. Kibis, kibis is food. Lectus, lectus is a couch. Pilius, pilius is a cap of freedom. Saturnalia, Saturnalia is the Saturnalia, festival in December. In is a preposition. It can mean in or on. Adsunt, they are here. Detergit, detergit, he cleans up. Obviously where we get the word detergent. Fundit, fundit, he pours. Garret, garret, she wears. Gustat, gustat, he tastes. Lacrimat, lacrimat, he cries. Profundit, profundit, he spills. Recumbit, recumbit, she reclines. Benignus is kind. Pulcher, in the feminine it's pulchra, that R contracts back, gets rid of that E. And likewise in the neuter it's pulchrum, beautiful or pretty. And hodie means today. Alright, so once again, if you like, you can pause the video, make your own translations and check them later. Or you can simply carry on as I go through them. Saturnalia adsunt. The Saturnalia are here, so it's a plural. We would say the days of the Saturnalia are here. Flavia and Gaius visitant. Flavia et Gaius visitant. Flavia and Gaius come to visit. Lepidina canum coquit. Lepidina canum coquit. Lepidina cooks supper. Cibis optimus est. The food is great. Candidus cibum gustat. Candidus tastes the food. Pandora in lecto recumbit. Pandora pilium garret. Pandora in lecto recumbit. Pandora lies on the couch. Pandora wears the cap of freedom. Corinthus et Candidus quoque recumbent. Corinthus et Candidus quoque recumbent. Corinthus and Candidus also lie down. Corinthus et Candidus pilios garent. They also wear the caps of freedom. Hodie servi sumus. Today we are the slaves. Flavius et Rufus cibum portant. Flavius and Rufus carry the food. Facula est mihi vinum fundera. Facula est mihi vinum fundera. It is easy for me to pour the wine. Rufus vinum celeritur fundit. Rufus vinum celeritur fundit. Rufus pours the wine swiftly. Whoa, whoops. Rufus vinum profundit. Rufus vinum profundit. Rufus pours the wine. Rufus lacrimat. Rufus cries. Noli lacrimare. Do not cry. Flavius vinum detergit. Flavius cleans up the wine. Quam benigna est. Quam benigna est. How kind she is. Et quam pulchra. And how beautiful. All right. So the Saturnalia was a holiday in Rome where roles were reversed. The slaves got to act the masters, and the masters acted the slave on those days. You can read about that more on page 43. Now, grasping the grammar on page 43. Remember to look at the ending of a verb to see who is doing the action. What do the following verbs mean in English? Remember to say if it is he, singular, or they, plural, who is doing the action. So pause the tape, write out your answers, and then come back and check your work. Lacrimat, that's singular, he cries. Visitant, they visit. Recumbit, he lies down. So you see that the singular ends in ot or it, and the plural ends in unt or unt. So recumbent, that is, they lie down. Portant, they carry. Lacrimant, they cry. Visitat, he visits. Fundit, he pours. Portat, he carries. Compare these two sentences. Pandora pilium garret. Pandora is wearing a cap. Candidus Pandorum spectat. Candidus looks at Pandora. In sentence A, Pandora is the person doing the action. We say that she is the subject of the sentence. She's the person who is doing the action of the verb. Pandora wears. Pandora garret. In sentence B, she has the action done to her. She's receiving the action. So Pandora is the direct object of this sentence. And so the ending of the noun Pandora becomes Pandorum. And so when it is the direct object, she receives a different ending. She looks at Pandora, so it's Pandorum. As you proceed in Latin, you will learn more about how the nouns change. But for today, we're just introducing the concept of subject and direct object. So I kick the ball. I am the subject. The ball is the direct object. He gives a present. He is the subject. The present is the direct object, and so forth. All right, study your vocabulary and come back and finish Lesson 6.